My name is Clare Munn. Why would a fourth generation Zimbabwean be on the board of a Haitian organization? I'll tell you why. There is such a similarity between the pulse of Zimbabwe and the pulse of Haiti. It's one of generosity, it's one of community, it's one of celebration, and it's one of absolute love. In the worst crisis, you'll still see somebody having a sense of humor. In the worst crisis, you'll still see somebody offering a plate of food. Now, granted, you might get a disease from that plate of food, but I'm actually joking. I've had some of the best food in Haiti ever. I have been going there back and forth for the last 4 years, and I thank Maria Bello, and it was Urban Zen as well, who introduced me to Haiti, and some of my best friends have now become Haitian. Well, they are Haitian. Haiti is doing well, in spite of the news that we hear, in spite of pictures we see. I have seen rubble be cleared, I have seen trash be picked up, I have seen biodynamic farming happening, sanitation happening, people like Patricia Arquette, Caroline Seda, Lola Silvera, who you just heard speak. These are people, Donna Karen, these are people who are working, not bringing their ideas, they are listening to Haitians. WeAdvance.org is an organization, a news portal, if you will, of gathering information for any community in any country who have been in a disaster, whether it's a man-made disaster, a self-disaster actually, or a natural disaster. Please, we are asking for your help. Every dollar helps. We're on a crowd-rising campaign now, and I feel that this is actually a life changer for anybody. It's not ego-driven, it's resourcefulness-driven. And it's actually been driven from what Haiti's core is, which is spirit. You go there and you feel it, you fall in love with it. And as Maria Bello says, once you're addicted to Haiti, you're always addicted to Haiti. So I thank you. I applaud people who've been involved in this, and I am not going to stop. So trust me, I'm going to be bugging you until we reach our goal. Thank you.
Cut.